Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we are going to make chicken chaap. Chicken chaap was introduced by the Nawabs when they moved from Dhaka to Bengal, and then it got popularized with time. So let's take a small chicken, cut it into 4 pieces and slit it to the bones so that the masala enters through. Now in a hot wok, we are adding half a cup of oil. When the oil is hot enough, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it with the oil. Now we'll be frying the chicken pieces in high flame to give them a gorgeous light brown color. This is just the color we want. Let's start with the gravy by making a smooth paste of 1.5 tablespoons of poppy seeds, 3 tablespoons of melon seeds and 3 tablespoons of cashews. So in the same wok, add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Now add the paste you already made and fry it very well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon while we are cooking the masalas. Once the raw smell is gone and no lumps are left, add the chicken pieces one by one to the masala. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. This will actually give the curry its rich color, and add salt as per your taste. Add half a cup of water and give it a good mix and let it cover and cook for around 10 minutes. On the other side, beat 2 tablespoons of curd and after 10 minutes add it to the chicken. Mix it thoroughly by changing its sides and add in 1 teaspoon of kawra water and 2 to 3 drops of meetha atar. Give it a good mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, it's completely ready now. Serve it with rumali roti, tandoori roti or paratha. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes. Now comes the best part, the tasting part. They taste mind-blowing.